Hey, hi Bangalore, Namaskara. This is Suman from Dr. Everiswa. So today this is a different video. Like this is an unboxing video. Unboxing of like impact driver. Like have bought a screwdriver machine. So the cordless screwdriver machine. So the for that I am doing a unboxing thing. So yesterday I have received from the Amazon itself. I have posted like I have bought from the Amazon itself. This is what the packaging from them we have received. So already have opened and I have checked the basic thing. So this is an unboxing video, like only packaging thing. So this is how the packaging will come. So inside you can see this is then a main part, like a main cordless driver, like a screwdriver. So this is the packaging from the Amazon. So that we don't require, we will keep aside. So this is the main part, like the brand will be ENON. The model number here XCD1610. So based on my requirement I have bought this. So 22 nm torque is more than enough for me. So if anything mechanical related thing, if I have to open or something is there means, then I have to choose about the 100 nm or something 80 nm and all. So this is more than enough for my budget thing and all. So this is what the front thing, like the cartoon from the company itself. The machine will looks like this. So specification here they have mentioned the voltage will be 12.6 voltage, chuck will be 10 mm, torque will be 22 nm, the speed 1 and 2 4000 rpm and 1500 rpm. So this is what the thing. So come, let's unbox the inside thing and all. So this is what the packaging. This is the main part. So this is a box from the company itself, so with the specification something and all. So we'll keep this to aside. So this is the plastic box for the main system. So this is what the system they have given inside. So I think you can see, right? Yes. So this is what the thing. So one of the user manual with the warranty thing and all they have given. The warranty card actually. They said 1 year warranty. So usually it will come long time, I know, because based on the users and all it will be dependent. So this is what the thing. So screw, drill, the metal wood and the wall also. So basic thing and only, not for a heavy wall and all. So this is what the thing. And they have given gloves also, the pure white gloves. So this is actually good, actually the material will be super. So this is what the thing. And inside, this is what the thing inside they have given some screws with plastic guttas and some this is what the charger, the tiny charger. So the ratings will be 1 ampere only. So 12 volts 1 ampere and with the two battery. So original batteries, friends, this is not a local, because in few models, like a few brands, what they will say, so they will give a pack here, the inside they will give a single battery only. So the based on the weight only we can decide. So this is what the charging indicator, just I have to press this, the charging we will easily we can see the charging indicator itself here itself. So with the two batteries, this is the main cordless machine with some 20 23 25 settings are there for a torque settings, and with three settings are there, main settings, like a for a screws, direct screw and some impact, like something they have given for a high output something is there. And with the speed setting, this is what the speed setting 1 and 2 and all. So this is the forward reverse button, this and this, like a forward reverse button, and this is the main triggering thing. So with the LED, so the battery looks like this, 12.6 1.5 ampere ratings. Something like here we have to press it, and the main charging here itself, so not in the system. So we have to plug the charger like this, we have to do the charging. So one after one we can do the thing. So two batteries, the same rating, two batteries. So and the main system, so this should be like go like this. So simple. So actually the torque will be okay for me, it's okay, super not super, 100 times super for me. So this is the main part, so we'll keep it. And they have given many spares and all, like for accessories, the tools and all. So this angle something is there, I don't know what to call for this, angle screwdriver or something, I don't know. And with the so few screw the bits and all for screws and all, like something hexagonal adapters and all. So this I know you people know about this thing and all. and many 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 something eight, around 8 bits they have given for this thing with the system itself, like a wood, metal, wall and all. So usually maximum we use this bit only for screws and all. So this is what we require, the something they have given. So this is what the thing, friends. So this is, I think, metal. I think actually this looks like metal car screwdriver. I think I don't know much this about this. So many things are they have given for a wood and wood and wall and all. So this is what today's no, for now I have done the unboxing thing of this ENON make XD1610 make of cordless machine. So this is a worthy actually for me. I try to try to share the link on the Amazon, from the Amazon I will share in the description, try to get that. So this is